is up, guys, and welcome to the vlog.
Me and Kid Sensation at home away from home in the black Benz limo with a cellular phone. I'm calling up the posse, it's time to get to ripping. I freaking each sunroof to keep you suckers tripping. Everybody's looking, if you're jealous, turn around. The AMG kick keeps us closer to the ground.
So today I'm on the cell phone. GoPro's been giving me a fit, so we're just gonna try this out. We've got basically one more box left. One more package before we really start to install stuff. Ooh, look at that, guys. We have the LMR cup holder console. I'm really excited about this. Like, I'm like a kid at Christmas. They all come in gray, so that looks like opal, I think. I'm not sure on the color, but seems to be well made. The texture is pretty much spot on. And you get these, get the cup holders right here. So I guess that just drops in. Doesn't lock in or anything, but looks good nonetheless. Anyway, so there you have your parking brake gasket and your ring. This is really simple, guys, as far as, you know, how you go about preparing these things. I just spray everything down with some denatured alcohol. Then we're just gonna come in with some gray Scotch-Brite, scuff it up. Lightly, that is. You don't wanna scuff it too hard. But just put a light scuffing on it just to clean any grease or debris or anything like that that's on it out of the way.
I believe in honesty, so honestly, your simple problems never bother me. Putting in this overtime, I'm about my worth, watching my words, never waste a breath on earth. Watch my words, never waste a breath on earth. Watch my words, never waste a breath.
So this is what I'll be using. This is what I use in all the videos. It's satin black, and this is your part number. If you got black interior, this is definitely what you want. You do not want the gloss white. Go ahead and buy the good stuff. SEM is good shit, so go ahead and buy you some of that. All right, guys, I'm gonna show you just how simple this is. Just put a light coat on it. That's all you want the first time. I'll show you guys what I'm talking about as far as a light coat goes. That's it, just a very light coat. That's all you want. If the weather's decent outside and it's not high in humidity, it's kind of warm, you can go ahead and apply your second coat pretty quick. Okay, let your second coat dry, and as you can see, it starts to cover really quick. So honestly, what I recommend to do first is go ahead and get into all of your corners, everywhere that you can first, because that's typically the spots where, you know, paint's gonna try to puddle up on you, or you're gonna get a run or something like that. So before you really start to put a lot of paint on this thing, go ahead and hit your corners and inside of everything like this. All right, we're gonna go ahead with the next coat. Just remember, you don't have to get it all at one time. Once you put too much on, it's really hard to get it off, especially with things that are textured, because a lot of times if you have to sand or run or anything out, a lot of times you get into the texture of it, so we don't want to do that. So this is where we're at so far. Okay, on to the next coat. All right, guys, we're gonna let this coat dry up because it was a little heavier. So we're gonna let this coat dry up, and then we'll come back to it, and we'll put our final coat on it. All right, so I'm just gonna come in. I got the table set up for you guys because I realized that was pretty crappy. But I'm gonna come in, the humidity's starting to kind of set in the night, so I'm gonna come in and put some light coats on for you. Well, all right, guys, we're gonna let that dry up. Everything looks good. So now we're gonna go ahead, flip this thing over, and try to melt some tabs. I'm sure everybody has seen the LMR videos, but I'll tell you what, we'll go ahead and we'll go through it. So this is your gasket, and all it's gonna do is lay right down in here, and we are gonna pop the ring on. Okay, just like that. We're simply going to take a soldering iron or anything. If you've got a even a cigarette lighter, you can just heat a piece of metal up, press down on it. And that's it. That's all you're going to do. So that's it. You're just going to want to put a little pressure on it and then melt the tab down. As soon as the tab cools, it should be good to go. Here is your cup holder. So this is the LMR cup holder. So I've got it installed in the car. It looks pretty good. I sprayed it last night, as you can see in the video, and overall I think it looks really good. I love this thing, except for one thing, and that is this insert.
No, God! No, God, please, no! No! No!
It doesn't lock in anywhere. All it has are these, you know, the little tab around the outside. It's all it has to lock this in. So you can see how it's made. It only catches on that very outer lip right there. So put it in, it just flops around. Now I've actually already heated and stretched it out a little bit because it was really bad. But you know, that's not an abnormally large coffee cup by any means, and it just, you know, it flops. So look, I'm not going to harp on it too much. I'm just going to take a couple dabs of super glue and just drop it around on a couple different points. So I'll show you, try to get an angle for you. Now this is a very short cup, and this is not a short throw shifter, so I can definitely see with a 20-ounce drink and a short throw shifter, you're going to be extremely close to this. You know, it is what it is. At least we have a cup holder now. It does work better than, at least, you know, wedging it over here. You know, overall, I really like it. It was a good purchase. It's just a lot of money, though, for something like that. But I think the console looks really good. So, you know, that's it. Plenty of room back there for your cell phone. And that's an iPhone 10, if you're wondering. So that's how much room you've got. If you're concerned about your cell phone, I think most every cell phone is going to fit in that spot. I don't use that anyway. That's where I put my phone. There again, I showed you guys in the video before of what dye to use if you have a black interior. This is what you want to use, in my opinion. Use the SEM stuff, satin black. It's going to work out really good for you. Sorry, I'm just getting off work, but I wanted to pull over. Sun's starting to set, and I still got a little bit of a drive home, so I just want to make sure that we got some of this video in the daylight of the cup holder. With that being said, thanks for watching.
You insult me in my home, you're forgiven this time.